Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sennheiser TVCE1 Bluetooth earbuds. This is model number TVCE1 and you need to do a soft reset on them because they are not connecting to your Bluetooth, or you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or they're not pairing with your device or with the app or anything like that, or they're not connecting to the TV. Any kind of stuff like that can very often be fixed with this soft reset, and you do not want to do a hard factory reset. You want to keep all of the pairing history so that they can just automatically reconnect, but you do want to basically power cycle them in order to try to fix whatever error you have going on. So this is really easy to do. All we need to do is take the earbuds out of the case, and then we're going to press and hold on each one. You can do it at the same time. You can do them one by one. It doesn't really matter. You just need to press and hold the earbuds for 15 seconds. And after that 15 seconds, that will manually force them to turn off no matter what is going on. Once you do that, just put them back into the charging case. And then if you listen when you put them in the charging case, you should hear the earbuds actually say power on while they're inside the cradle. Now you can take them back out. They have been reset, and hopefully that fixes your problem. If it doesn't, you should move on to a hard factory reset, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that.